Frost Signs has been running for the past 18 years. We specialise in vehicle graphics, general signage, and we really try to work with new products that are coming through into the industry. So basically with the EL graphics, what we do is very similar to wrapping a standard vehicle. Preparation is key for this, so we've got to make sure that the vehicles are prepped correctly, and then pretty much installing the same product the way you would with a vinyl graphic. It's very simple to install. What we've done, we've actually developed the kit so it's actually less sections. When you buy a Chapter 8 kit, normally it comes in a lot more sections, so it's quicker to fit. With the standard kits, you need a light source to make them reflect. With these ones, obviously they're flashing. You know, you can control the flashing from a switch within inside the cab. All the cables are hidden within the badges, and they are still Chapter 8 compliant. It's, you know, very unique for these particular types of vehicles.